Hey guys, how's it going? How to create custom WhatsApp emojis from photos. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and use a third-party app. You will need a third-party app to create custom emojis, as WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in feature for this. Popular apps like Bitmoji, Zmoji, or Moji Maker. Here is a general process using photo editing app. Create your emoji by going to select one of these apps like Bitmoji, Zmoji, right? Bitmoji right here, and you can select Zmoji, right? Or Moji Maker, right? And then basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna download one of these apps, and then create your photo. Open the app and choose the option to create a new emojis. Upload the photo that you wish to convert, and then use the app's tools to customize the emoji, resize, crop, and add effect. And then you're gonna save it and send it to WhatsApp. Save the emoji or Bitmoji or Zmoji or the Moji Maker, and then open the WhatsApp and select the chats. Tap the attachment icon, paperclip, like back in your screen, and then go ahead to your WhatsApp, and then just go ahead right here. Let's have an example. Let me say this one for example, right? And click right here the plus button, and then you're gonna go ahead and just click the paperclip or choose gallery or photos to upload the emoji, and then select the custom emoji and then send it, right? Or you can just go ahead right here to the stickers, and then basically you can upload one of your own by clicking right here, create. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see if every video we upload. Thank you for watching.